As I grow older, I pay less attention to what men say. I just watch what they do. The way to become rich is to put all your eggs in one basket and then watch that basket. Concentration is my motto. First honesty, then industry, then concentration. Do not look for approval, except for the consciousness of doing your best. Whatever I engage in, I must push inordinately. You cannot push anyone up a ladder, unless he be willing to climb a little himself. The first man gets the oyster, the second man gets the shell. All honor's wounds are self-inflicted. Aim for the highest. The men who have succeeded are men who have chosen one line and stuck to it. Thanks for watching.